All right, so we're gonna get our onion ready.
Yeah.
I'm the only one that eats the onion.
And Mom?
No, Mom doesn't eat onion. Onion's just gonna be for Dad.
Need extra?
Oh, Dad's gonna have a little bit extra. Why don't you go give me a bag for the rest of this onion? So I'm gonna brown some onions up for myself.
Oh, yeah.
And I'll be the only ones eating those.
Mom?
No, Mom's not gonna eat them.
Oh.
And then we're gonna make our sauce real quick. Just take some mayo, some mustard, some ketchup, some Worcestershire, some hot sauce. A little bit more mayo than anything else.
Need the other onion?
Nope, I just needed half of that one for now.
Oh, do you need a bag for the onion?
Bag for the onion. So we got our mayo, we got our ketchup, we got our mustard. Probably like 3 parts mayo, 1 part ketchup, 1 part mustard. Some Worcestershire sauce. That'll work. A little bit of hot sauce. Put the big onion in that bag.
Okay.
Mix it up. Taste it. You want to try some?
Yeah.
Okay.
Them both up?
Dad, try it first. Make sure we got it.
I'm tired. Is everyone getting apple?
I think we're right where we want it. Just a little bit. Stick your finger on it. Taste it. You like it? You want to taste it?
I did it again.
That'd be enough. That'd just be me and the wife eating that. You don't like it, Wyatt?
It smells like, it tasted like a leaf.
It tastes like a leaf?
Yeah.
Well, that's a pretty darn good tasting leaf for
I
me.
like it.
Go give that to Mom.
Okay.
Then we got pre-made patties, which I'm just gonna end up smashing them all down anyways,
Mom, I like
because I need them to be smaller.
Mom, I like it.
Oh, you don't like hamburger? Yeah, you do. How we're gonna do with that? I just use little Tonys. Use whatever you guys want. I mean, salt and pepper, a little bit of garlic on it. It's pretty good too. It's just we don't really take a whole lot with us when we're camping. Yeah. So season it up. I like putting some Worcestershire on mine. And then we'll just make a bunch of smaller patties so we can smash them down.
Dad,
Oh, Wyatt.
Mom,
We just want to get them smashed down pretty thin. That way they cook faster. So we always try to do something pretty easy. You can't try that.
Why?
Cause it's just pure seasoning.
Mom likes it.
Just for onions, so you just have to clean it.
Can I try one of those?
Yeah, you're gonna try one of these after I cook them. Can I cook them first?
I'm gonna try to flat it like that.
Flatten her up, buddy.
I did it. Flatten it up.
All right. So like I was saying, we just got here about 45 minutes ago, and we always try to do something quick and easy on Fridays. So we're gonna do these burgers, and then we're gonna do a apple cake pie in the Dutch oven, and sit down next to the fire and enjoy this. Did you give me some butter? For your brother. Give me a minute. Yeah. Give me a minute.
It's good.
Is the cheese good? No, you can wait until we eat dinner.
I'll give you the next one. Yeah, and maybe you guys are sleeping. And by the way, if mom and dad don't wake you up, it means that it's still quiet time. Okay? What do we think?
Oh, that looks pretty good.
Go on, go play. Go. Excuse me.
How are you? I like to get mine nice and smashed down. Gonna have a thin patty. Well, we got some coyotes out in the background. How close are we to that 10 minutes?
Seconds. 30 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 it later.
Huh?
Drink like half that water.
Oh, must be thirsty. But make sure we get the mac and cheese for the kiddos. At least we know they'll eat that. We're gonna eat dinner here in just a second, kiddo. Get our buns toasted up. Nothing better than toasty buns camping. Quit it. You be nice. Got a big camper. Oh, do you? You like the cheese? You don't say. Kids and cheese, huh? Uh-huh. Wyatt. Oh, right there. I didn't see ya. What's that? Go wipe the picnic table. All right. What do you guys think? Our second camping trip for the year, and it's still kind of cold out.
Yeah.
What do you think, Groot? We even got the dog. What do you think about your food, Cash? Pretty good? Good burgers?
Yeah. You didn't even try the burger.
Oh man, these things are great. Well, we got one cheeseburger left. So I think Grootski gets it. And that was it. One swift move and it's gone. All right. What are we gonna make for dessert?
Apple cake.
Apple cobbler.
Apple cobbler cake.
There you go. Pretty easy recipe. We just got, hey, don't spill it yet. You can pour it in. We just got 2 cans of apple pie filling. We got a whole stick of butter for the old heart to keep her pumping. And then a bag of yellow cake.
I like it.
You like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like it.
You guys gonna mix it up?
Yeah.
Okay, one at a time. Let your brother go first.
Okay.
Can you try not to spill it, Cash?
Yeah. Okay.
You gonna fit up here?
Yeah.
Pour it in there.
Like it.
Need help? There you go. Shake it. Just hold it there. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Almost. Yeah. Good thing we dropped our spoon in there, huh? Ugh. All right, Wyatt. Pour it in there. Shake it good. Bloop. Did you get all out?
Some is stuck in it.
All right, hold it up. The other way so I can see it.
I only got a big splat out.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Smooth it out a little bit. Good enough. Okay. You can put the butter in, okay? Let Wyatt put the cake in. Put the cake in. You gotta kind of spread it out on the top. There you go. Look at my little professional cook here. Hey, whoa, 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 don't spill it. We only brought so much butter with us. You know, about 16 pounds to do some camping cooking, and we might be cutting it short.
We're done.
All right, now that we got to spread it out. Hey, not yet. Not yet.
I can see it.
All right.
No.
All right, one piece at a time. No, one piece at a time.
Can I go first?
Yeah. Come on. Good thing we're a family, because who knows where these hands have been. Let's drop some on the ground. No, don't drop. I'm kidding. Hey, look at them both.
Put one in, Cash.
You gonna put it in? Hey. Focus.
I put it in now.
Okay, can we put the rest in before it's time to go to bed? We're just in a big old pile. Okay, well, good thing we got our big brother to help. You gonna spread it out?
Put it out. Put it out. Put it out. I eat it.
Okay, good enough. There we go. About 25 minutes and she'll be done. Holy smokes!
I did
Wyatt.
it, right?
Look at that. It's a whole lot brighter once I figure out the buttons on this thing. Okay, let's cook this. All right, we got her all going now. I just put one ring of coals around the top, and then the same thing on the bottom, just one ring around the bottom, and that'll be enough, about 25 minutes. All right, she's all done, and our 25 minutes turned into 45 minutes. It's also 45 degrees out here, so, but it's ready to eat. You ready to eat, Wyatt?
Yeah.
Does it look good?
Yeah.
Is that because you made it?
Yeah.
We even got some ice cream, which I don't know if that was the best idea at the temperatures tonight, but let's go eat.